Hello everyone. So today we will be talking about memory management in JavaScript. So as JavaScript is a high level programming language, we don't need to manage memory, let's say in JavaScript. But as you can see, it says low level languages like C have manual memory management primitives such as malloc and free. So basically malloc is memory allocation and free is freeing up that memory. So we don't need memory management per se, but we do need to understand how memory allocation works and stuff. So let's have a look. So regardless of the programming language, the memory life cycle is pretty much always the same. So allocate the memory you need. So firstly, we'll allocate the memory we need. Then we'll use the allocated memory, read or write. We can write to create new stuff in that memory, or read or to retrieve that information from that allocated memory. Then ultimately what we do is release the allocated memory when it is not needed anymore. So basically we allocate the memory first, then we use the allocated memory, and then we free up the memory or release the allocated memory. So in JavaScript, we don't need to allocate memory manually per se, but we can do just constant or const as a variable, and then it will allocate the memory automatically. Automatically, it will be the memory will be allocated, and then there's a thing called garbage collection, as you can see right here. So garbage collection is cleaning up that memory. So even though we do not have to manage the memory per se, but the garbage collection is automatically done in JavaScript as well. So we don't need to do anything here, let's say, but it's just you need to know this stuff, right? So how we are storing the variable in our program. So basically what is happening here is we are doing the memory management behind the scenes. So JavaScript is handling all that. So we are doing performing this memory life cycle, and then it is garbage collected. So you might see somewhere that JavaScript and Python, these are like, especially JavaScript, I'm not sure about Python though. So JavaScript, they use garbage collection, and as stated above, the general problem of automatically finding whether some memory is not needed anymore is undecidable. Okay. As a consequence, garbage collectors implement a restriction of a solution to the general problem. This section will explain the concepts that are necessary for understanding the main garbage collection algorithm and their respective limitations. So basically, there's a garbage collection algorithm which do collect the garbage, or let's say we do not use a variable. Let's say x, we have defined x, but we do not use the x anywhere in our program. That will be garbage collected automatically. So as you can see, it says two objects are created. One is referenced by the other of its properties. The other is referenced by virtue of being assigned to the x variable. Obviously, none can be garbage collected. So if we create an object like this and then reference it elsewhere, that cannot be garbage collected. So we must not do that. Let's say mark and sweep algorithm. Yes, this is also a garbage collection algorithm. So basically it marks first and then sweeps it out of the memory. We have some configuration to memory model if we want, but these are some of the advanced topic. Let's not go there. And I just wanted to talk about memory management in JavaScript. Let's say how we store variables. We do a variable like this, like n equal to 1 2 3, but what happens after that? So memory is allocated, as we've talked about in our last video in call stack. There's a creation phase which allocates the memory, and then we do the execution phase. That's pretty much it about memory management. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys in the next video about the event loop. I will be talking about event loop in our next video. Event loop is really important, and memory management was just before it, so I thought why not talk about it. Although we do not need it, but the knowledge is needed, because when we go for lower level languages like C or something, we would need it. So yeah, thank you very much. I will see you guys in the next video.